things what we've observed last 2 quarters or so. One is that the customer is more informed now, and I would say the customer has graduated to the next level, and the importance of technology has been well appreciated and accepted. That's one thing. The other thing is that the agencies which were working in silos now have started coming together. So we are seeing lot of requirement being clubbed between agencies, and that's good for the user as well as for the industry. So that's a good thing happening, and there is focus definitely on public safety, stroke homeland security, and people who matter understand the importance of it. So that's good, definitely. That's encouraging. I would like to answer this in a slightly different manner. One is the dynamics are very different. The issues are very different. What happens out over here doesn't happen out over here.
Right.
So
Use
which,
commentary.
absolutely. So the social economic issues, what is there, what you see in Europe or in America are not applicable or valid over here. Point number one. So coming back to your question, so that's the basic paradigm shift between both the things. So yes, the realization is there. People have started understanding. The good part is that people realize that we can't replicate what has happened in developed countries. So the India-centric solutions have started evolving. Now, large organizations like NEC who have a global presence bring the advantage of global experience and the local expertise. And as a step forward in our commitment to India, we have gone ahead and established a excellence center for our business in Bangalore. This is called NBEC. This is called NEC Biometric Excellence Center. So this is experts sitting out over here working on solutions for India. So that's our step one, our commitment towards Indian market. There are two parts to this. One is definitely yes, they understand what is required. Probably they are in the process of figuring out the resources, how that can be deployed. But I would be more happy that if the people who matter and the administration goes beyond city surveillance. I mean, city surveillance is good. We started with that a couple of years back, but we need to look at it as safer cities. You just putting in cameras is not the end of the story. You need to see with the same kind of infrastructure, how can a common man benefit out of utilities and other services as well, and it's doable. It's been done, but not in the same manner the way it has been done. Maybe we have to do it in a different fashion, but doable. So that's what we need to look at, and probably the people who've gone and met, I would say the other global companies have tried to just push through what they have done abroad. So you need to have India-centric solution. Then probably I think the success rate will be there. So the authorities, they're well aware. I think the need has been well defined. Now we have reached the stage of the execution, and these are large programs. They require a lot of due diligence, and I would say yes. From the industry perspective, I would say they would have happened as of yesterday. But from the government perspective, yes, the government has to make sure that these are very sensibly taken decisions. So yes, there would be certain timetable. It could be a lot of people they tried who were IT channel partners of large IT OEMs. They have been successful to diversify into the surveillance products. Some have been successful, some have not been successful because every business has own peculiarities. You have your own challenges. So people thought the kind of manpower what we have to maintain the IT hardware, same people can also maintain the cameras or the fences or the boom barriers and all. Some could educate and train their staff. They've been able to do that, and some have failed. So it's been a mixed bag. It's been a mixed bag. What feelers I have for the market.
What about NEC? It synchronize the IT and the security.
No, we know the kind of business solutions what we offer in the public safety is very different if you try to compare us with the other security guys, we are not a camera company. We are absolutely a solution technology company. And the sensors, they don't matter to us. We talk about the technology, which is the core, and sensors are like any box to us. So we are not into kind of a channel sales. We interact directly with the customer, understand his requirement, and drive the solution. Point number one. Yes, we have strategic large partners, because at times you need partners who prime certain thing, and we support them at times. We go on our own, so it's that. But definitely, public safety has been really encouraging, and to our surprise, after our success with the UIDI phase 1, and wherein we're also in the process of closing down the phase 2, we're talking to the concerned. So there has been very encouraging response from the other concerned ministries that if can the citizen identity programs will also be ruled out for other social reforms, other programs and all. It has been really encouraging, and we are in the process of doing pilots with some of the ministries in the due course of that, and I think the going has been good. We are targeting all, when I say citizen identity programs. Now, for example, you have MG Narega, other social initiatives by the government, wherein the benefit has to go to the common man. But a common man has to identify himself that I am the person who the benefit should come to. Now, how does he does that? So we have solutions for that. The biometric solutions, what we have, the devices, which mobile devices, we can go to the rural areas as well. So the person identifies and he says that I am the same person, and then you have the benefits going to him. So those kind of programs we're targeting. The banking sector is looking for two-factor authentication. So it's like the people who have access to core banking. Now they need to authenticate themselves through biometrics to make sure that the right people have access to core banking. So we are in the process of bagging one of the large contracts with a public sector bank for this kind of an opportunity, and we see a lot of growth on that sector as well. As I mentioned, criminal affairs and FRS are other areas where we are very strong, and the response has been very encouraging over there as well. It's all law enforcement, banking, they are going together, but I see this financial year good business coming from law enforcement and banking. Citizen identity programs, I see next financial year something fruitful to come, because those are large programs will take some time to materialize. We are actually talking to people who matter, the decision makers, whether it's a mega city or a smaller city, we get aware. As I mentioned, ours is not a run rate business. So channels generally come into picture when you have a run rate business. You have a target of selling so many boxes every day. We are not into that. We are not into box selling. We are a solutions vertical. So we are not into that. So it takes time to understand the customer requirement, proposition and all. We have strategic partners. I would not call them channel partners, because channel partners, you have defined terms and conditions that you sell so much and you get so much of incentive. We don't work like that.
So your solutions.
Absolutely. I mean, this I'm talking about my vertical. So if you talk about our PNS vertical or ITS vertical or MP vertical, definitely a channel partner is a major strength over there. So, but for public safety, that's not the approach.
And when did
NEC has been into public safety for decades globally. And of late, the focus for India, and India has become a major strategic market for us. So I would say since last 3 years we have been more active in India, but globally, yes, we have been there for decades. Now it's definitely a major focus area for us. We're talking about particular FS solution. It will be difficult for me to segregate the FS numbers from my PNL. I can talk about public safety per se as a business is one of the major contributors. I would not have the breakup of the I don't have. But definitely, public safety is a major focus area for years to come, and India is a market what we have shortlisted as a major global focus. We definitely are in a ramp up mode where we are getting more resources for public safety, because we need people on ground to go and talk to the customer and strategic partners. And I look a good, healthy business for us, and the growth in double digits. I would not be able to predict the exact numbers, but a good, healthy growth for us in the next 3 or 4 years to come. And we want to consolidate on top of it.